good. Your opinion is good, but the government school student is not afford. It's a clear, but you can the exam form around 1,000 around, and you can join the coaching to crack the VHQ exam. Some people he study in government school, but he is than private school student. Some people. So how can you say that? Why are you not crack?
The private school is better than government school.
All the students are not affording the fees of the private school. Then you are saying the private school is not doing better. You are supporting the government.
Private school student is studying in BSU and government school because he is very talented now to compare the government school student. So how can you say that the BSS and BSU is good? Because he is good because but in the student is very good for private school student is very good now to compare the government school student.
Private student is better than government student.
Well, is that you as you know you can study you can you can study in government school, then you see the government school is not provide a good facility and other activities. Now to go for private school you can good facility and talented well. So he is just the private school student is now to compare the government school student is good.
Many schools in many villages, so there are many government students who can verify the many exams like CHS, Navodaya and many types of exams, and he is very talented.
Are known for their stability and security. A government employee enjoy assurance of employment, while private services are often lay off employee by its salary and not fix the working time. The government jobs are fixed working time, and after the retirement the pensions of the social services and all servants are going to their accounts. So
private hospital. I give answer. The private hospitals have the private hospital staff are
Speak loud. Speak loud.
the private hospital staff are presently in 24 hours and 7 days, and the government hospitals are not available in doctors in the government in 24 hours.
In a private hospital, the governments are presenting 24 hours, but in a government hospital, the doctors are not presenting 24 hours. How can you say that the government facilities are better than a private facilities?
Private sector is good in education system because of anyone is studying in primary school, he was not now good knowledge, and in same private school we are now a good knowledge because of teacher was not gave attention to all students in government school, and in same private school this term is opposite. Senior position of private company, you get the shares of company, and these shares are very benefit to your future. Because if you work very hard, your position is very fast increase. In government service your position is increasing in the working years, and in a private service it decided the knowledge and working.
in the private service you can still learn your salary is income is better than the government service. So how can you say that in the only the government finds it very good now to compare the private service. So how can you say that?
Government service jobs are very security and stability because of its one time the jobs are taking by servants. Its job not taking by another, but the private service are not security.
So that the private school. Yes, I know. How are you say that the facilities of private job are better than government to everyone? Are represented in all village block districts, but private hospitals are present in big cities, like famous places.
CHS is a school that have still on government. So
So how can you say that the private hospitals are better than government hospitals?
गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल इज़ बेस्ट, लेकिन वाराणसी बनारस में एक है टाटा ग्रुप का हॉस्पिटल है, कैंसर का सबसे बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है। मतलब कि पूरे महाराष्ट्र से हम वहाँ पे गए हैं अभी कुछ दिन पहले दादा को अपने लेके, तो वहाँ पे हमने देखा कि कम से कम महाराष्ट्र से कोई यूपी से बिहार से वहाँ पे जांच कराने आ रहे हैं मरीज। तो कैसे आप कह सकते हैं कि बीएचयू में ही उतना लोग जाते हैं? वहाँ पे कम से कम 200 लोग से 300 लोग से डेली भीड़ लगी रहती है वहाँ पे। कैसे आप कह सकते हैं कि सरकारी हॉस्पिटल ही बेस्ट है? प्राइवेट
BHU hospital, they where 1000 plus people who's meeting for doctor and take medicine and वो मेडिसिन भी लेते हैं और प्लस वहाँ पे जांच भी कराते हैं। वो 1000 से ज़्यादा मरीज, यहाँ आप 200 की ही बात कर रहे हैं।
200 की बात ये है कि बीएचयू में आप चले जाइए, एक कीमोथेरेपी आता है, वो होता है कैंसर का, वो USA का एक वैक्सीन है। कोई देख लीजिए बीएचयू में चले जाइए, आपको नहीं लग पाएगा। आप चले जाइए वहाँ पे, कम से कम आपको ज़्यादा इमरजेंसी हो गया तो वो लग सकता है वहाँ पे। बीएचयू में आपको परमिशन ही नहीं देंगे, बीएचयू में आपको लगाने का परमिशन ही नहीं देंगे।
Those person that have not sufficient for this therapy, who can be so doctor can be not take this vaccine in these people.
So treatment process is very hard, difficult.
The process of the treatment of a BHU is very hard.
You can say that.
So you tell me how you treatment complete in BHU.
Doctor is very well in a BHU because I am very ill because
I have a jaundice.
I have a jaundice. So many doctor can be say to me, you can be admit in 10 to 15 days, but BHU doctor can be say to me, you can go to your home and you can very well so take a medicine and you can get soon well.
It is often, not every time.
It is often that some of the doctors can do like this, but not the major of the doctors are not
Me
doing.
and my father and my grandma can be going to many types of hospital, just like Atharva Hospital, Uppkar Hospital, and many types of hospital. Many hospital can be say to me, you can admit also 10 to 15 days.
Vaibhav, it means you say the private hospital fraud with you. How? Maybe you need the need to admit.
Because private hospitals, the private doctor has taken many money for the person. Because my uncle going to yesterday to take a cancer hospital to operation for the cancer. So doctor can be say that your operation can be held on Ayushman card, but the given discharge paper that say you can give me 25,000, then I can be discharged to you.
BHU जो स्कूल है कहते हैं कि उसमें फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छी नहीं, जब उसमें फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छी नहीं थी उसमें से बाहर से बच्चे पढ़ने आते हैं, उसमें फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छी होती होगी तभी बाहर से बच्चे पढ़ने आते होंगे, तभी ना.
I can say the good facility of BHU government BHU school is good. I cannot say the BHU facility is not good, because the students were study in BHU government school. He was also study in private school, so he was cracked the able to study in BHU school.
प्राइवेट से पढ़े होते हैं तो क्यों आते हैं BHU में? मतलब कि जैसे जब BHU में मतलब जैसे बच्चे प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें प्राइवेट स्कूल से पढ़ के क्यों जाते हैं BHU में?
क्यों जाते हैं?
ये रुको.
Government school.
You take your degree in private college, not a government college.
सारे लोग तरसते हैं या गवर्नमेंट डिग्री लेने में सारे लोग तरसते हैं, मिलता भी नहीं है गवर्नमेंट डिग्री. सुनो, अगर यहाँ पे स्कूल नहीं होता तो वहीं पर जाते पढ़ने, अगर यहाँ प्राइवेट स्कूल